How to remove Google account from laptop. I'll tell you the easiest and perfect way to remove Google account from your computer. So open your browser where your Google account is logged in, and then at the top right corner where you have your profile icon, you just need to click on that. And please make sure you watch the whole video. So firstly, we are going to sign out, and then we will move to the next step to remove it. So here, once you click on the profile icon, we will click on sign out. Now, once we have signed out, still our account is there that yes, somebody has logged in from this email. So we need to click on sign in again. All right. And now you will see your previously logged in sign in account. So you can see here. So what we need to do is to click on remove an account. And once you click on that, a red sign will come, and we just need to click on that red sign, and it says remove account. Dash will no longer be used the Google service on this browser. So I will click on yes, remove my Google account. Now the moment I do it, I do not have any email logged in. So even if I close it and reopen it, I will not get that email because that account, that Google account, has been removed from the laptop. All right. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment if you have successfully removed the Google account. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.